ये लो। Dear students, in today's practical, dear students, in today's practical, we are going to learn about how to handle or what are the uses of salver as well as tray. Before we actually move forward, we must understand basically the difference between the salver and tray. As you can see, this particular round one is known as the salver, whereas this particular rectangular one is known as tray. So you should never get confused between the salver and tray. Now next question is how we are going to hold the salver. As I am righty, so obviously I am going to hold the salver on my left hand. And there are two ways through which I can hold the salver. Either I can hold the salvers on my fingers like this, or I can hold the salver on my palm like this. So I am going to show you both the ways. Either I can hold the salver, as you can see it from the base, I can hold the salver like this also. I can hold the salver like this also. Generally, we hold the salver on palm only. Now, there is one more question, like which all the places can we keep the salver? Like for take simple examples, can we keep the salver on table? Then maybe here the table is basically talking about the guest table. Then the answer will be no. Second is, can we keep the salver on the chair while maybe changing the tablecloth, or while maybe you can say that the clearing the table? Then again the answer will be no. So salver can never ever be placed on the table. It can never be placed on the chair. The salver is supposed to be kept at the side station only. Now, there is one more thing. Do we have to use the salver in the same format as it is just now? So the answer will be no. Whenever we are using the salver, the top of this particular salver has to be get covered. It can be covered by using three things. It can be covered by using the salver paper, which would be a kind of an doily paper like thing, slightly thicker, and it is having a round in shape. Or we can cover the salver by using the salver cloth, which again would be round in shape. Moving to the third option, in case we don't have the salver paper, we don't have the salver cloth, then what's the option that is there with us? In that case, we will have to use our waiter's cloth. So now learn how we are going to cover the salver by using the waiter's cloth. So first we need to keep the waiter's cloth at the center of the salver. Then we are going to, as it has four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. First we need to fold its four corners one by one. Let's see how. This is, I have folded the first corner. This, I have folded the second corner. This, I have folded the third corner. And this again, I have folded the fourth corner. Once all the four corners you have folded inwards, then again you need to fold the rest of the four corners. I am talking about 1, 2, 3, 4. So this I have folded inwards. This again I have folded inwards. This again I have folded inwards, and this again I have folded inwards. if you see it precisely, so you have made nothing but an octagon figure. And now your salver is ready to use. Now, which all the places generally we use the salver? So the salver can be used in order to carry the glasses. So this is the first thing. Salver can be used to carry the glasses. Second thing is salver can be used to carry the cup and saucer. So anything which is having small in size, like cup and saucer, can be carried by using the salver. Third thing is salver can also be used in order to carry the side plate. So we can use the salver in order to carry the side plate along with the soup bowl. So what you see is, in order to carry the small items, we will have to use the salver, right? So now, apart from these things, we can also keep some more items on the salver, and I am going to show you some of the items by taking it out from the almirah. Kindly focus on the almirah, please. Like here, we have the teapot. Here, we have the coffee pot. So any kind of an equipment which is basically small in size can also be carried on salver. But now there is a very important question. Like, what is the way of carrying the plate? Do we have to carry this is the half plate and this is the full plate. So do we have to carry the half plate or full plate on salver? So the answer will be no. Generally, whenever we carry the full plate and half plate, we have to use the waiter's cloth, and we have to fold the waiter's cloth. We have to fold the waiter's cloth by making three fold like this. This again have to be made into half. Again I am repeating right from the beginning, just we have to make three fold. 1, 2, right? And on top of this, you have to either carry the half plate, or we can use it carrying the full plate. So these are the two ways through which generally the half plate and the full plate is supposed to be carried. Now, as for doing the practice today, generally here we are doing the practice by using the brick. So now, as you can see, while taking the practical exam also, when you will come to the college, and this particular task has been assigned to you. So you will have to do three things. First is, you will have to use a clean salver, you will have to lay down the waiter's cloth on the salver, and you will have to carry the brick, and that's how you will have to carry. And you will have to take 3 rounds of this particular restaurant. Then your practical will get over. Now our lab assistant by the name of Sadbir is now going to show you how you need to carry the salver, or how you are going to conduct your practical exam. Now, as you can see, our lab assistant is slowly moving or taking 3 rounds of the restaurant in the same way, while appearing for your practical exam also, you need to carry the salver on your left hand, and keeping the weight in the mind, we are generally going to keep one brick, and that's how you will have to do the practice. So in terms of carrying the salver, you must know like in which all the places generally we use the salver. Second is the difference between the salver and the tray. Third is for which all the things do we use the salver. And fourth very important thing is how we are going to use the waiter's cloth to cover the salver. And after covering the salver with the waiter's cloth, how we are going to hold it and move around the restaurant.